Every time I hear an airplane flying over me, I just get that inspiration. You should be in that plane on business or a personal vacation. It's been a long time since I had a staycation. 7 days alone in another country. Exploring other cultures. God, please let there be no poison ivy in this forest I'm in now. I'm just here with these birds. They're having a big conversation and we're chilling. Troop socks are doing me well. There is always calm by the river. Calm by the river. This is amazing. Look at this. They are literally arguing. Y'all behave up there. Y'all behave. Y'all are cousins. Why y'all fighting? That is probably a 60, 70 foot tree. Let's go back and see. Let's see this. Look at this. Super Saturday, Nature Boy.